Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a reset of your Garmin Instinct. So there are several valid reasons to perform a reset of your watch. One of them might be that it's acting strange, something's broken on it and you want to try to fix that. And also if you're trying to sell your watch, that might be another reason to remove all your data. There are actually two different ways to reset the watch. The first is going to just remove the user settings, so any configuration you made on the watch. The second is going to be a full factory reset, and that'll remove everything from the watch. And as soon as it's completed, it'll be like the watch was brand new from the store. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is hold down the menu button to open up the menu. Once the menu opens, we'll scroll down using the ABC button, and then we'll select Settings using the GPS button. Once we're in Settings, we'll scroll down all the way until we see System. Select System, and then once we're in System, go ahead and scroll down until you see Reset. Select that, and then in Reset you can see Reset Default Settings. So we'll select that and see what it looks like. As you can see, this is going to reset all of the settings. The activities will not be deleted though. I'm going to select Back because I do not want to do that. But if you wanted to, all you would have to do is select the ABC button to do that. I'm going to do a full factory reset. And to do that, we'll select Delete Data and Reset Settings. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, this warns me that it's going to clear all the settings and the data, everything including activities. So I'm going to continue by selecting the ABC button. And then I'm going to select Yes. And now it's performing a full reset of my Garmin Instinct. And after about 3 minutes, it fully reset, and now I'm at the screen where it's asking me to start setting up the device. One quick thing, if you're curious about how to set up your Garmin Instinct, check the link in the description. I've already done a tutorial on that, so hopefully that helps you. If you have any questions about how to perform a reset of your Garmin Instinct, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.